lot of time by knowing this. The word estimate means that you have to round the numbers before doing the calculation. It's very, very common that when a student sees like this, they start doing the whole calculation without doing anything else first. So they might start doing 91.25 times 4.87 and then dividing that answer by 2.31. Obviously, that's going to take a lot of time. And unfortunately, you're not going to get any marks. So we need to know that when we estimate, we round the numbers first, and we round them to one significant figure. So 91.25 goes to 90, 4.87 goes to 5, and 2.31 goes to 2. So now we're doing the calculation 90 times by 5 divided by 2. 90 times 5 is 450. Half of 450 is 225. Now, there's quite a lot of skills that you need to be able to do before you can access this type of question. And I make sure in my program that we cover how to round to significant figures first and all the prerequisites that a student basically needs to be able to do. Being a teacher, I'm able to think of the things that they need before and make sure that that is covered in the right order. So the next one, 41.2 is going to go to 40, 19.8 goes to 20, and 0.49 goes to 0.5. So 40 times by 20 divided by a half. 40 times 20, well, 4 times 2 is 8, with 2 zeros afterwards, so 800 divided by a half. How many halves go into 100? Well, into 1, we get 2 halves into 1. So how many halves into 800 is 1,600.